Yo, this storm out here is wicked. I mean, you cannot tell me this is wicked. I cannot wait for this storm to hit Edmonton. Oh my God. But like, I swear that's a little bit of green over there. I don't think you can see it, but like, I swear there's a little bit of green over there. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a tornado. I'm looking on the camera and it doesn't look like green, but what I see is a little bit of green over there, which means tornado. I love this weather in Edmonton. Isn't it great? Say hello to my jawbreaker. Those clouds look menacing. Like, look at the, oh my God! I caught that on camera. Oh my God. There's that crash. Oh. Oh my God. Y'all, this is crazy. Wish me luck. And if I don't post after this, then I probably got swallowed up by a tornado.